Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to Mixed Media Morsels Edgewise. I'm excited to get started on the February page, and before we do that, I'll show you the prompts that I pulled for this month. And the edge we're going to do is this one. Whatever you have on hand is perfectly fine. And so that's what we're going to play with this month. All right, so let's get started. Oh, I wanted to show you, I did put a little cover page on my book. It's just a piece of scrapbook paper that I stamped on, and then I stuck my little tag from our kit. So I like how that looks. I'm really happy with that. I have my security envelope pulled out. I have a piece of rickrack. Happen to have one in my scrap bin that's same color as my page here, so that was fun. And it's exactly, like literally exact the size. I didn't cut this at all. It's just, it just is. So that's awesome. That's always fun when things work out perfectly. And then I've got a little robot sticker that I'm thinking I may use on the page, along with, I grabbed out some little bits and pieces. I want to try and use another one of my product tags. Like I talked about last month, I thought it would be fun to use those each month. We'll see how it goes. I grabbed some little pieces of gift wrap, just some little like black and white items in case I need those. And then this was in my scrap drawer. It's just painted paper that I had in there, and I thought it would bring this green teal color into the mix, and the purples are the same. So I thought, oh, that might be pretty cool. And that's when I picked out this little robot because he works right into the theme. So anyway, that's what I'm thinking about using. And I'm just going to play, you know, like we always do. And we'll see how this page goes. I know I need to do some scribbling. I should probably do some of that first, like on the background is what I'm thinking. I may try this Uniball Signo pen. This page here, I didn't finish out attaching paper way back when I first started planning this series. So I'm thinking I might take a little bit of this. Let me just tear this off. Oh. I thought I might just put a strip of that across the top. Okay, there we go. That's fun. I think I'm going to use the envelope to cover my tag. Okay, that's already very cool looking. Love that, having that pattern on there. Awesome. And I'm thinking that my little robot might go on the tag. I'll have to play around with that in a minute. Then I thought I'd put, just to kind of carry over some of these things, I thought I would put some of this on this side of the page. I mean, this could go there, I guess, and then this could kind of go over the top of it. Kind of cool. Let's see, I'm going to tear this. It's not quite long enough to cover the entire length of the page, but that's okay. Just going to glue down some little bits, I think. I'll glue this down and then I'll trim it off, and then I'll have my rickrack on top of that. And might have, I might end up with a little bit of this over here somewhere. Let's see. To be careful about this kind of journal where the pages slip in and out. We won't be able to put things that go all the way across unless we cut them, because otherwise you won't be able to take the pages out. So that's something to keep in mind. But I do like that, so I think I will just cut it and glue it there and make it look as if it's all one piece crossing the page. That'll be fun. I think I'll add a little bit of this too, just to carry on the black dots. He's going to go over here someplace. This is going to go here. All right, and I've got some black splatters over here from when this painted paper was made way back when. So I think I want to try and put some black on the other side. So I'm going to have to protect everything else, I guess. So let's see how that goes. Just kind of lay some paper there. All right, I got my page dry. I'm thinking I might want to put a little bit of this on the tag. Let's see. Well, first of all, I'm going to start by just kind of cutting out a triangle type shape. Let's see, maybe I'll start with the smaller one. Okay, I think I want it a little bit bigger than that. I don't know if it needs to be this big, but actually not too bad. Kind of like it on there, adding a little bit more dimension to the page. Let's see, maybe I'll trim it right here. Yep, I like that. Just makes it more fun. This is a sticker, but I'm not going to peel it off and stick it because I'm going to leave part of the robot kind of hanging off the side. So I'm just going to glue it down like it is with the backing on it. This is very cute. You know, I was going to put a border around this before I started sticking things on, and I forgot. So I'm going to just do that now. Just wanted a little outline around it. Give him a little spot to stand in. So cute. Yep, I like that. I like it a lot. I've got a piece of baker's twine that's black and white that I'm going to put in the tag. Just do a little slip knot there. Oh, so cute. I'll trim that off in a little bit. Right now I'm going to leave it. Then over on this side, I had a little quote that I wrote out that says, "You are never too old to set another goal or dream a new dream." Oh, that was pretty cool. I'm going to just round the corners of that. I'm going to color in this little area down here for him a little bit, just to make it look a little bit more solid. There we go. And this, I might want to back it onto a piece of this envelope. That might look kind of cool. All right, and I've got this little triangle left over from a while ago. I think I'm going to put it on the top of this page. And I've got another little one that I think I'm going to put on the bottom of this or on the side. Let's see. I like it, I think, on the bottom. I'll add some little black scribbles just to help the background not look quite so empty. So fun to use this stuff. Just little gift wrap pieces and things, and it helps just to create a full and fun and interesting page. I just love that. I really do. Before I attach my quote, I'm going to take this page out and take it to the sewing machine and sew on my rickrack. Okay, I just used some black thread, and there was blue in the bobbin, so I just left it. It came right off the edge occasionally because I was trying to let some of the rickrack hang off the edge to make that edge be rippled. So I'll come in and stick a little glue under there where I didn't quite get it sewn on. But I still love it, just love it. Okay, I have a couple of little scraps I'm going to include, just a couple of little bits that just kind of help fill in and complete the page. I really like how that looks. Okay, so I think that's going to do it for my page this month. So much fun. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I did. I'm going to enjoy seeing what you do on yours in the Mixed Media Morsels Facebook group. So, yeah, it's so fun taking prompts, like putting things together that you just never would have thought you'd have done. That's the beauty of prompts, I tell you. I'm going to go ahead and snip this just a tiny bit. There we go. So those little bits will stick out above the top of the page, and it'll start filling up, looking really fun, even when the journal's closed. So, yeah, so fun. All right, thank you guys for joining me once again, and we will be back, of course, next month with another installment. In case you're new here and are not familiar with what we're doing, I do this every month as part of my Mixed Media Morsels series, and this year we're doing Edgewise, which is just mainly putting a different edge on every single page so that we will have a little reference to look back on later when we need inspiration and we might be stuck for what kind of edge do we want to put on. And we can flip through this book and find some cute little edge ideas to incorporate into whatever project we're working on. So join me again next month, and we will see you guys again soon. Take care, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.